There we go, man. Hey, man, it's Cooking General here, man. I'm just out here doing me a little barbecue in the country. Sometimes get out the city. I'm just doing a quick video. It'll be 11 years. I think in September. I've been on YouTube, something off in there, and it'll be 11 years. And I was like, man, when I started this, I wasn't know about gonna do 100 videos, And then I figured, I may get 100 subscribers, but man, y'all got this thing on the Cooking General channel going close to 4,000, and so it seemed to like it, so I guess I'm gonna keep on going with it. I got a couple of new videos I'm finna throw on the Cooking General channel, so y'all on Almost One channel now if y'all watching this, but the Cooking General gonna have some new videos on there coming up this week before the weekend. And now I'm just out here just barbecuing, just kind of celebrate. Y'all really got this thing going for me, and I really appreciate it for all y'all who like, subscribe, and share these videos, because y'all really get this channel. I thought it wasn't gonna. I don't even know that many people, so that's pretty good. So I'm barbecuing right now. Have y'all ever had some barbecue beer? Nah, see, I told you, unique stuff I do. Oh shit! Oh, don't shit. All right, thank y'all guys.